Alright, we're gonna do some power washing. See how well this thing cleans up. So here we go. Looking like a quad again, almost. Look at this. That's looking better. Besides the melted plastic, it doesn't look too burnt anymore. Yeah, it cleaned up pretty good. It looked like, at least in the pictures, that only the plastic had melted, but the quad itself hadn't burned, and I think that may have been the case. Things are looking pretty good again after that nice little wash, maybe 20 minutes or so. Yeah. Oh, and I took the battery out before starting to wash, so that's probably a good idea, maybe. Alright, things are coming along. Gonna be sure to get all the water out before trying to start it, because that is just sitting there getting wet. And there's mud everywhere too, so I'm tired. It's the day after Christmas. Well, let's just take a good look at this, and then we'll call it a day. Not bad. I hope I can get her running soon. Alright. And that one. I want to get something done with that one. Cool. Later.